A friend from Indonesia told me the secret they have for having a very clean face. A beautiful and healthy face is everything a woman wants, but thanks to environmental factors such as pollution, dirt and free radicals, our pores become contaminated and clogged, forming the unwanted impurities. It also influences the appearance of our face. Our food, a poor diet or high in fats and sugars, produces an excessive production of the bait located in the inner sublayer of our skin. When it tries to eliminate excess bait, it is very common that it becomes infected, and if we add the contamination to which we expose our skin daily, we will get formations of blackheads, pimples and blackheads. It is important to wash our face every day with exfoliators, and use products to moisturize your skin, although the products that you can get in the market are expensive and are full of chemicals that in the long run, we do not know how they can act in a future. But you have another option. Natural products are much more effective and are also extremely economical. This is the most effective remedy that will solve any problem of the face. This mask removes any problem your skin may have, leaving it healthy, beautiful and shiny. Before trying this mask, we recommend applying it on your arm. Let it act for a few hours. If it has not caused any reaction, you can apply it on your face. Ingredients: 1 or 2 paracetamol tablets, crushed with a little water, to form a kind of paste. 1 teaspoon of wine vinegar. Crushed avocado. Preparation: 1. Put the ingredients in a glass container and incorporate them completely, until they form a homogeneous mixture. 2. Apply this mask on your clean face. Perform small gentle circular massage, let it act for about 15 minutes, and remove with plenty of water. 3. We recommend applying this mask about 2 or 3 times a week. At 10 days you will see noticeable changes and the results will leave you fascinated.